Hello 7th class, how are you? I hope all of you are doing well. So let's start today's class. In today's class, I am going to discuss with one more important feature of Australia, that is the Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef, and we also call this one is Coral Reef. This Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef in the world, and it runs roughly parallel to the coast of Queensland. Okay, so it is about 2000 kilometers long. This reef or this Great Barrier Reef is made by coral. Due to that we call it coral reefs. Now question is, what is coral and how they made this coral reef? Coral is a sea animal. Okay, it's a sea creature who lives on the sea floor where it gets warm water. They have some qualities. These corals secrete calcium carbonate, which is consolidated into rocks. Secrete means calcium carbonate, it's formed in their body and they give off the calcium carbonate. And when they secrete this calcium carbonate, what happens? As time passes, it's look like a ridge because it collects so much calcium carbonate. So after some time, it will take the shape of a hill or ridge. So due to we call it coral reef, a hill made by corals. These corals also have one more quality. They absorb the CO2, carbon dioxide. As you know, like we all living creatures, living animals, we will take oxygen and we will release carbon dioxide. So in the sea also, all the species, aqua species, they take the oxygen and they release carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide coral absorbed, and it is work like a ecosystem for the sea life. So like this, these corals make the coral reef, which is, we will say, the Great Barrier Reef. Why we will call it Great Barrier Reef? Because this coral reef structures protects the shorelines against waves, storms and floods, and helping to prevent loss of life, property damage and erosion. This coral reef works like on the earth we have trees, and trees protect us from against floods and erosion. Same this coral reef, due to this we call the Great Barrier Reef. It protect us from the waves, storms and floods, and also the damage and also the erosion. So when these things will not happen, so the life on the shore will be good. So the absence of this natural barrier can increase the damage to coastal communities from normal wave action and violent storms. Even then, this coral reef provides food for people living near coral reefs, especially on small islands. The reef is also a natural barrier protecting coastal cities, communities and beaches. It is a center of ecotourism. It means it is a great tourist destination also. People come, Marine Drives comes to see this one. Okay, so it also creates tourism. And this South Pacific warm water provide an ideal condition for the reef to dwell. So in this Great Barrier Reef, we have 600 continental islands, 350 coral bays, and nearly 3,400 individual reefs. It is not only one reef, it together makes coral reef. Okay, so and around 2,800 species of fish, 400 different types of corals, 400 mollusks, 500 species of seaweeds, 215 species of birds, 158 species of sea snakes, and 68 species of sea turtle are found here. This Great Barrier Reef or coral reef is very rich in wildlife, ocean wildlife. Now second is Tasmania. Tasmania, you know, it's an island and also an Australian state. Tasmania is located 240 kilometers south of the eastern side of the continent, and it is separated from Australia by the Bass Strait. Okay, it was called Van Diemen's Land by Dutch explorer because he discovered the Tasmania. It was called Van Diemen's Land by Dutch explorer Abel Tasman, who discovered it in 1642. This Abel Tasman discovered this Tasmania island, and now on his honor, Australian government give the name to that island Tasmania. This island is rugged, means it's not plain, it's not smooth, it is uneven, it's a rocky. It experiences a temperate climate, means moderate climate. So due to it's a moderate climate, so vegetation is also somewhere we will get heavy grazed grassland, and somewhere we have eucalyptus forest, alpine trees, cool temperate rainforests and moorlands. Here one more important thing we will get it here, that is Tasmanian devil. You can see the picture also. And this Tasmanian devil only we will get in Tasmania, not anywhere in the world. Okay. Here about 12 species of birds here, 11 species of frogs and the European red fox. The Tasmanian devil is a carnivorous marsupial found exclusive in Tasmania. Only this Tasmanian devil where we get in the Tasmania. It has a black fur with white patches. So it is about two features of the Australia, the Great Barrier Reef and Tasmania. Thank you for today's lesson.